The best PS5 accessories of 2023. Must-have additions to your setup. Hey there, gamers! If you're like us, you're loving everything about the PS5. But did you know that there are some amazing accessories out there that can take your gaming experience to the next level? Today, we're going to take a look at the best PS5 accessories of 2023, starting with the DualSense Edge. Best controller. DualSense Edge. The DualSense Edge is an amazing accessory that takes the already incredible DualSense controller to the next level. This device is a custom grip that attaches to your controller and provides a more ergonomic feel. The DualSense Edge is made of high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it will withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. One of the things that makes the DualSense Edge stand out is its unique design. Unlike other grips that can be bulky and cumbersome, the DualSense Edge is sleek and stylish, making it a great addition to your gaming setup. It's also very easy to install and remove, so you can switch between grips quickly and easily. But the real magic of the DualSense Edge is how it enhances your gaming experience. The grip provides a more comfortable and natural feel for your hands, reducing fatigue and allowing you to play for longer periods of time. It also improves your grip on the controller, giving you better control and precision in your gameplay. Best headset. PS5 Pulse 3D. Next on our list is the PS5 Pulse 3D. This accessory is designed specifically for the PS5 and is the perfect way to fully immerse yourself in your games. One of the standout features of the PS5 Pulse 3D headset is its 3D audio technology. This technology allows you to experience sound in a way that is more immersive than ever. You'll be able to hear everything around you with incredible precision and clarity, making it easier to locate enemies and immerse yourself in the game. It's also incredibly comfortable to wear. It's lightweight and features a padded headband and ear cups that are designed to fit comfortably over your ears. You'll be able to wear the headset for hours on end without experiencing any discomfort. Plus, you can connect it to your PS5 using Bluetooth, which means that you won't have to worry about tangled cords or getting caught up in wires. Overall, the PS5 Pulse 3D headset is an amazing accessory that is a must-have for any serious PS5 gamer. Best SSD. Corsair MP600 Pro. Moving on to our next accessory, we have the Corsair MP600 Pro. This is a high-speed SSD that is designed to work perfectly with the PS5. It's a great way to increase storage capacity of your console and speed up load times. The MP600 Pro features PCIe 4.0 technology, which means that it's one of the fastest SSDs on the market. It can deliver read speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,550 megabytes per second, which is incredibly fast. It's also designed to be durable and long-lasting, featuring a heatsink that helps dissipate heat, which can help to prolong its lifespan. It's also made of high-quality materials that are designed to withstand wear and tear. Installing the M600 Pro is also very easy. It comes with a simple installation guide that will walk you through the process step by step. Once it's installed, you'll be able to enjoy lightning-fast load times and more storage space for all your games. Best racing wheel. Thrustmaster T248P. Our next accessory is the Thrustmaster T248P racing wheel. If you're a fan of racing games, this accessory is a must-have. It's designed to provide an immersive and realistic driving experience that will make you feel like you're really behind the wheel. It features a high-quality force feedback system that provides realistic feedback as you drive. It also has an adjustable pedal set that allows you to customize your driving experience to your liking. The racing wheel itself is made of high-quality materials and is designed to be durable and long-lasting. Setting up the T248P is also very easy. Once it's set up, you'll be able to enjoy an immersive and realistic driving experience that will take your racing games to the next level. Best Fight Stick. Victrix Pro FS12. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Victrix Pro FS12 arcade stick. This accessory is designed for gamers who love fighting games and is the perfect way to take your gameplay to the next level. This fight stick features top-quality components, including Sanwa Denshi buttons and a joystick lever for precise and responsive inputs during gameplay. It also boasts advanced customization options with removable and replaceable panels for easy customization of artwork and button layout. Plus, it even has a built-in touchpad and headphone jack for easy navigation and communication during gameplay. One of the standout features of the FS12 is its advanced audio system, which includes a built-in amplifier and high-quality speakers for immersive and realistic audio feedback during gameplay. Overall, the Victrix Pro FS12 is a premium fight stick that offers advanced customization, high-quality components, and innovative audio features, making it an excellent choice for serious fighting game enthusiasts. Thank you for tuning into our video today. If you're interested in this product, make sure to check out the links in the description below for more information. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, tips, and tricks. And remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.